Hello there, Elam here, and I want to talk to you about the 7 lessons I learned during starting and building my businesses. And if you want to start or grow your business, you should avoid these mistakes. Here's the 7th mistake: not communicating with your prospects enough. Okay, let me be clear. I don't mean keep bombarding them. No, you cannot over communicate with your prospects unless the communication is valuable and you're sending them good stuff. Most of your prospects are not in the buying phase yet. They need to learn about you and your business first. They need to know you and trust you. So you should communicate with them frequently. Well, I think it's a good practice to start with 1 or 2 emails per week and make sure the content that you're sending is educational and valuable to them. And as your business grows and you have more products and offers, and as you create more relevant content, you can make your communications even more frequent. Now, I know what you're thinking about. They don't feel good if I email them frequently. Well, I also don't like to receive many emails if they're not relevant to me. And in most of the cases, all these companies are out there and sending emails to you and me are not good at communicating valuable content. But here I'm talking about high quality conversation. So first, make sure you have enough valuable content that adds value to your prospects and help them learn more about the topic that they showed interest in, and then start sending emails. And don't forget, most of them are in the learning phase, so educate them first, and by doing so, you're building a relationship, and over the time, your prospects come to trust you and eventually they buy from you. Most of your prospects are going to buy in a while, so make sure to be in front of them when they are ready to buy. Okay, this was the lesson number 7 in starting and growing your business. Don't forget to watch the other 9 videos about the mistakes you should avoid in building your business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.